Good morning, students. Today, 10th Standard English, Prose 5, Unit 5, Tech Bloomers, தொழில்நுட்பத்தில் பிரகாசிப்பவர்கள். This poem talks about the use of technology by a normal person and in empowering the disabled to do their day-to-day course of life, to travel, to communicate, to learn to do business and to live in comfort. Alicia and David's life has changed with the use of technology. Technology impacts the environment, people and the society as a whole. So the way we use technology determines if its impacts are positive to the society or negative. இந்த பாடம் சாமானிய மனிதனின் தொழில்நுட்பத்தை பயன்படுத்துதலை பற்றியும் மாற்றுத்திறனாளிகள் தங்கள் அன்றாட பணிகள் செய்யவும் பயணம் செய்யவும் தகவல் தொடர்புக்காகவும் கல்வி கற்கவும் வியாபாரம் செய்யவும் வசதியுடன் வாழவும் தொழில்நுட்பத்தை பயன்படுத்துதலை பற்றியதாகும். இந்த தொழில்நுட்பத்தை பயன்படுத்தி அலிஷா மற்றும் டேவிட்டின் வாழ்க்கை மிகவும் மாறிவிட்டது. தொழில்நுட்பம் சுற்றுப்புற சூழல், மக்கள் மற்றும் ஒட்டுமொத்த சமூகம் ஆகியவற்றில் தாக்கத்தை ஏற்படுத்தியுள்ளது. நாம் தொழில்நுட்பத்தை பயன்படுத்தும் விதத்தில்தான் அதன் விளைவும் நேர்மறையாகவோ அல்லது எதிர்மறையாகவோ அமைகிறது. இதனுடைய முக்கிய நோக்கம் Tech Bloomers. The use of technology is increasing day by day. We use technology to live in comfort. Technology helps us to travel, to communicate and to learn. GPS and Google Maps helps us to explore new places. Globalized sharing of knowledge enhances learning process. Video conferencing reduces the travel time in business. Operating home appliances by voice commands is easy. Technology helps the disabled to overcome barriers. Before that, take your English textbook. Warm-up questions. There are some warm-up questions to see, to learn how. Take your English textbook, page number 125, warm-up questions. Look at the picture and see, Auntie, what do you infer from the above picture? Technology is dominating our lives. Next, look at the above electronic gadgets. If you were given a chance to remodel a device, in which device you would bring in changes and what would be those changes? You will redesign the smartwatch. The look of the watch would be conventional or only the pressing a button, a screen will appear and offer valuable services. Now we will go to the lesson. David was born with anteloid cerebral palsy and attends a special school, college. He has been using a high-tech communication aid since he was 8 years old and has been interested in AAC, augmentative and alternative communication technology ever since. That means the future of technology is beyond our imagination, but certainly possible with modern gadgets. 7 crore people in India suffer from disability. Kim is the assistive technologist at Alicia School. Kim introduced Alicia to Dragon dictates, which had been opened the world to Alicia. It made her more independent and she is able to study on her own. David uses Liberator communication device, which he controls with his eye movements for his verbal communication. David moves from one place to another in his electronic chair with head switches. He uses ECO point eye gaze system to communicate and access the computer. He also checks Chelsea football team's performance. Now, let us see how this lesson teaches you for David. As I told you earlier, David operates computers with the Liberator communication device by controlling it with his eye movements. TV, Blu-ray, and music players are controlled by ACTIV controller. Alicia says these words to make world know the difference the technology has made in her life. Dragon Dictates is a software which helps Alicia to overcome her difficulty in typing. So it has totally transformed the life of an individual. A refrigerator is programmed to replenish food when the vegetables or milk or eggs are over. Ink cartridge to self-order replacements when it is empty. So, same thing. The differently able Alicia and David's life has been transformed because of technology. Assistive technology is designed to help people with disabilities. Now, we will see how this technology pictures will pictures for your understanding the devices technology for the differently able people. According to the 2011 census, 2.21% of India's population is disabled. This technology has reduced the artificial barrier for disabled. Now, in short, we will see how this had happened for the technology bloomers to technology in our day-to-day life. We are living in the age of infotainment. Technology occupies our life. The use of technology is increasing day by day. We are all depend on technology. We use technology to travel, to communicate. I told you earlier. Managing entertainment and home appliances by voice commands has become reality today. Self-ordering replacements of consumable products by gadgets is another milestone of technology. In olden days, communication was very limited. It could not be made across the globe. Now, it is possible with the help of internet, globalized sharing of knowledge, enhances learning process. Video conferencing reduces the travel time in business. Operating home appliances by voice commands or swabbing the finger is easy through technology. So these are some of the use of technology in our day-to-day life. Really, technology is a boon to the disabled. You will see. In short, I am telling the summary of this lesson. This technology has reduced the additional barrier for disabled. People who have cerebral palsy can access computer by piece of technology called drag and dictate. It assists them to type as they speak what they wish on the screen and print. There are few other technologies which help the disabled people to navigate the computer by their gaze. For verbal communication, they can use liberator communication device. It helps them to connect to Bluetooth adapter and access PC or MSC. Augmentative and alternative communication helps them to run through pages. Later, this technology was replaced by ECO2 and ECO point. With these technologies, differently able learners can shatter their cloistered existence. In India, Mr. Christian Lawrence invented legal shoes with GPS and Bluetooth for disabled to navigate in the streets. Mr. Nupra Kirloskar invented Blee watch for hearing impaired, and Mr. Anil Prabhakar invented IGEST for tracking gestures of speech impaired. You can see, look at the picture, shoe, watch, as well as the inability of the technologies. You guess technology makes your life easier. Maybe, it can. Keep in touch with your family, you can talk to and it can help you to study, get qualification, find opportunities for work. Same thing. This is indeed the new era of learning, truly learning for all. You mustn't be fed up or you mustn't be tired of doing something good. Just like that, the computer recognizes the speech and words disabled on screen. It has made more independent study on their own technology. She no longer depends on others to type her work. David, another disabled, has secured a life of freedom on joining hands with technology. Born with aphysioid cerebral palsy, he now communicates with eye movements. Several innovative inventions like legal shoes for the disabled to navigate streets. So technology enables a talented mind to overcome physical impairments and contribute productivity to the world. Newer technology has seen the dawn of a new era of learning. The differently able learners learn to learn with their peace and contribute fruitfully to the learning process. Look at the picture, Alisha, how she is improving her technology. In our day-to-day life, technology is the age of infotainment. We use technology, for instance GPS and Google Maps, helps us to explore new places without any travel. The voice commands, managing entertainment, home appliances by voice command, has become reality today. Self-ordering replacements of consumable products. Now, it could not be made across the globe. Now, it is possible with the help of internet, globalized sharing of knowledge, enhances the learning process. See, the 21-year-old David says, technology is very important because it enables me to communicate and be independent, which gives his is a huge bill. So, to be able to have a time. See the pictures in the kitchen. Operating home appliances by voice commands or swabbing the finger is easy through technology. These are some of the uses of technology in our days. Video conferencing reduces the travel time in business. Now, the moral, what you have to learn is technology is really a boon. Reduce the attitudinal barrier. Now, the verbal communication, argumentative and alternative communication helps them to run through pages. Later on, this technology replaced ECO to ECO point. With these technologies, differently able person, learners can shatter. Mr. Nupra Klosker invented the. Let us see what is very very important today's world. Really, you have to learn how to stand yourself, how to protect. So technology Blee Watch by industrial designers Nupra Jambhovi Joshi of Mumbai invented the smartwatch for hearing impaired. It converts sound waves into vibrations and colors codes to alert users to emergency sounds and ringing doorbells. It even helps them feel the rhythmic of music. Look at the picture, Alexa, what she is doing. IGST by Anil Prabhakar, IITM professor and co-founder of Enability Technologies, innovated a wearable device which tracks gestures of speech impaired people and speaks for them. So, technology makes a differently able person's life easier. Technology plays a vital role in transforming the lives. Kim made them realize life isn't tough because you are differently able. Kim made them realize that you can keep in touch with your family, you can talk to, and even you can even see relatives who live far away. Kim has shown them that technology can do even more for young disabled people. It can make friends, communicate, and control the environment. It can help them to study, get qualification, and find opportunities for work. It can make them confident and independent. World-renowned physicist Stephen Hawking is probably the best example of how assistive technology has helped a talented mind overcome physical impairments and contribute productively to the world. You can see Abdul Kalam, ABJ Abdul Kalam, was concerned about the people with disability. Along with his team, he developed lightweight, processed from space-age material to enable disabled children to walk easily. General Certificate of Secondary Education. We're going to do the Maths CGSE. Teacher says, she's passed away now, and one day she said to me, you're going to do your Maths GCSE, General Certificate of Machinery Education. I said I am not. See, if you have look forward to more inclusive way of learning instead of the cloistered existence that most indifferently or differently able learners had to face in the past. Newer technology allows differently able learners to learn with their peers as well as contribute fruitfully to the collaborative process of learning. So, this indeed the new era of learning, truly learning for all. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. So it is a fantastic that time is precious has been able to fund this. The dragon diction. As I told you earlier, same thing. This is indeed the new era of learning, truly learning for all. You mustn't be fed up or you must go to the conclusion. Technology impacts the environment, people, and society as a whole. The internet benefits a common man to travel, to communicate, learn, to do business, and live in comfort. Yes, really, technology has improved communication through a piece of technology called Ragtime Dictate. Alicia, who suffers from cerebral palsy, can speak now and the words appear on her screen. Then she can print them out. It made her achieve things which she had dreamed of. So, just like that, David operates computers with the Liberator communication device by controlling it with eye movements, Bluetooth adapter. Let's them Let's him use the PC or MAC by sending commands. It is possible to control the computer with eye also now. So don't be technology is growing day after day, and we all depend on technology only. So today we have various developing technologies that impact our lives in different ways. Thank you for listening, and next class we will do the book back exercise.